Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. We have a different box that is kind of a shocker, so hold all negative comments to yourself. I did want to indulge into this brand because I've heard so much great things about the formula and I've never tried it. So let's just get into it. So here it is. The Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Boxes. So I ordered the mini, and here it is, the mini. It's very mini. And I ordered, I think this is premium. Yep. And there's like a little photo card here. These are the Supreme glosses, kind of like it reminds me like the group, the Supremes, right? All right, so let's get into the mini. And this one was $25, and it's very nicely packaged. And this is what I got. So for $25, I'm sure that's worth it. So this looks like from the green line, Blood Money. It's called Cold Digger. That's funny. Play on words. And you slide it out like that. Oh, okay. This is the eyeliner. Cool. Oh, it's very soft. So this is the shade, which is very pretty. And it's like a espresso brown. I've never tried that, so all of this will be new to me. Very nice. And then there's the gloss. This is Succulent, so I think that's the shade. Oh, opened it wrong. Okay, so look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. And it's like a very pretty pink. Look at that. Very pretty gloss. So far, very nice. And then we have another lip, it looks like. And this is, what is the shade? To break that. This is the shade. And, oh, this is another gloss. Velour Liquid Lip. I probably won't use that, so I'm not even going to open that. And then we have two singles, which is cute. I like that teal. And Undertaker. That's very dark. Very, very dark. Okay, so 5 items. That's not bad for 25 bucks, right? And here is the premium. Okay, this thing popped out of here, so let's go with this. This is Cowboy Kiss. And this is a tinted lip balm. Look at the packaging. That is a bullet, and it actually feels like a bullet. It's very heavy. Okay. So, ooh, that is chocolate. Ooh, let me know what you guys think. This is crazy. Crazy to me. And then here's the gloss. Let's see. Slime glossing. Oh my gosh. I'm not so sure about this. Okay, so we definitely will be having a giveaway on these products because a lot of them I'm not even going to use. But look at this. This reminds me of Ghostbusters or slime. It is very slimy looking. Let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, then we have this looks like, yep, the Z palette for the singles. And we have 3 singles. This is Power. Looks like a navy blue. And we have A Word I Cannot Say. It's a nice orange. And Priceless. Looks like a beige champagne color. Very cool, and they fit right in here. I'm not going to open that either. And then we have the Velour Lip Scrub. This is in Rainbow Sherbet. That sounds delicious. I want to smell it. The only one I've gotten was in a giveaway, and it was root beer, and it smells so good. Let's see. This is what it looks like. Ooh, yes. My daughter would like that. Okay. And then lastly, we have the palette. So I believe every box except for the mini got this palette. So here it is. And it does have like that rough texture. So this is Star Ranch mini palette. And there you go. Okay. Wow. These colors are deep. On camera and watching other people's videos, they look so different. Oh, those are really nice. So I definitely cannot wait to try this and his formula. All right, so what will be in the giveaway? So we're going to use the word star. Use it in a sentence, and you're going to get the Z palette. You're going to get the gloss and singles, the Z palette, and 3 glosses. I think that's a great giveaway. Remember to use the word star, and don't put enter me. And I'll pick a winner 3 weeks from the day that it's posted. And good luck to everybody. And as always, stay safe.